this video, we'll explore the Shadowbox modeling technique. Shadowbox is a versatile internal modeling feature within ZBrush. This powerful technique enables the generation of various shapes by projecting shadows, specifically the gray mask we've already discussed, onto a central volumetric mesh. The primary goal is to create a complex model in just a few simple steps. Here's an example. We drag a standard object onto the stage and navigate to the geometry section in the tool palette. Here we find the Shadowbox function. Let's turn it on. The visual display makes it easier to understand its functionality. In essence, 3 coordinates elegantly define the unique shape of our volume. Let's clear everything to make room for something new. By drawing directly on the surface, our model will be dynamically shaped to match precisely. This procedure applies to all 3 axes equally. For a more accurate interpretation of the drawing, the polygon resolution should be adjusted slightly. As we've already learned, we can define alphas as masks, which works very well in this context. Let's walk through an example. Press and hold the Control key, then switch the assignment method to drag rectangle mode. Now let's select our alpha image. We project it onto one of the specified axes. When we are done, we turn off the Shadowbox function and can then proceed with our ongoing work as usual. All cuts made within the Shadowbox receive their own unique and distinct polygroup. This feature is especially useful when combined with other functions in ZBrush. In the next video, we'll delve into Dynamesh.